In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Clockify with Monday.com using Zapier. This is perfect if you want to automatically track time in Clockify whenever something happens inside Monday, like when a new item is created, when a status changes, or when time tracking starts. Automating this process can save you hours of manual work and make your workflow much more efficient. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can set this up even if you've never used Zapier before. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Zapier.com. Zapier is the automation tool that will connect Monday.com and Clockify together. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a free account in just a few minutes. After logging in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. Now, click on the Create Zap button in the top left corner. A zap is simply an automated workflow that connects two or more apps. The first thing you'll set up is the trigger, which is the event that starts the automation. In the Trigger app search bar, type in Monday.com and select it from the list. Next, choose your trigger event. You'll see options like when item is created, when status changes, or when time tracking starts. Pick the trigger that best matches your workflow. For example, if you want a time entry created in Clockify whenever a new task is added in Monday, select when item is created. After choosing your trigger, click Continue. Now you'll need to connect your Monday.com account to Zapier. Click Choose Account, then select Connect New Account. Zapier will ask for your Monday API token. To get this, open Monday.com in another tab. Go to your admin settings and find the API section. Copy your API token and paste it into Zapier. Once connected, click Continue and test the trigger to make sure Zapier can pull in data from your Monday board. Once your trigger is set up and tested successfully, it's time to add the action. The action is what happens after the trigger event occurs. In the Action app search bar, type Clockify and select it. You'll now choose the action event. Common options include Create Time Entry, Start Timer, or Stop Timer. If your goal is to automatically log time in Clockify based on activity in Monday, select Create Time Entry, then click Continue, and connect your Clockify account if prompted. You may need to log in and authorize Zapier to access your Clockify workspace. After connecting Clockify, you'll move on to the most important part, mapping your fields. This is where you tell Zapier which information from Monday should go into Clockify. For example, you can map the Monday item name to the Clockify description field, assign the correct project, and map the start time or duration if available. Carefully match each relevant Monday field to the appropriate Clockify field to ensure accurate time tracking. Once everything is mapped, click Continue and test the action. Zapier will send a sample data entry to Clockify so you can confirm that everything works correctly. Check your Clockify workspace to verify that the time entry appears exactly how you want it. If the test looks good, click Publish Zap. Your integration is now live. From this point forward, whenever your selected trigger happens in Monday.com, Zapier will automatically create or manage time entries in Clockify based on your setup. That's it. You've successfully integrated Clockify with Monday.com using Zapier. This automation can dramatically improve productivity, reduce manual time tracking, and keep your projects organized without extra effort. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.